To say that salvation is just about forgiveness of sins and going to heaven is a huge understatement. Honestly, as wonderful as those truths are, thinking of salvation on those terms is to dummy down its message. It's so much more. God made us in his image and likeness, and that goalpost hasn't changed. God made us for relationship with him, and that longing hasn't changed. God made us as a dwelling place for him by his Spirit, and he's still pursuing that. God made us to have dominion as trustees over this earth realm, and that is still mankind's destiny. That destiny does not belong to angels. That destiny belongs to mankind, to you and me. That is what humanity lost when Adam sinned. And salvation will not be complete until every single part of that is reclaimed. Am I serious? You bet. And this is how serious God is. He didn't just send this message to us through a prophet in another series of prophets or through an angel, no matter how great and glorious they are. He sent this message to us through his Son. Now that has to mean something. The Son is the eternal Creator, one with God. And he became a man to rescue humanity from the cruel tyranny of sin and of death and of Satan's power. And that has to say something. As God, he already ruled the created order. But he came to live among men and gave himself in perfect submission, perfect obedience to his heavenly Father. And in the end, he offered that life as a sinless sacrifice. He did so that our sin could be punished and destroyed, but we could be redeemed and set free to worship God, set free to know him. And through his sinless human life, he gained the right of dominion that Adam lost because he sinned. And then rising from the dead and ascending into heaven, he sat down at the right hand of God's throne as Lord over the destiny of mankind. And from there, he's going to return to the earth to defeat every enemy and to establish God's everlasting kingdom, where a restored humanity will reign with him on earth. And once you see that, and you see that as our destiny, you see that as the ultimate goal of salvation, you can't unsee it. It's so much bigger than we originally thought. And it will cause you, it has to cause you, if you actually embrace it, to recalibrate everything that you understand about salvation and your relationship with God and where this is headed. And the question is, are you willing to embrace that and pursue it? We'll talk about that more next time. I hope you'll join me. Stay on this journey.